In this episode, a team of seasoned wilderness experts demonstrates a pragmatic river crossing technique that works safely in swifter currents. By video, they break down passive scouting, leverage points, and rope-assisted steps that minimize energy loss while maximizing control. Viewers learn how to read eddies, choose landing zones, and perform controlled releases when fatigue limits grip and balance. The segment also covers improvised tools, such as a makeshift drag rope and a compact throw bag for emergency retrievals. Finally, the presenters share a field-tested decision framework to decide when to push ahead or retreat, keeping adventurers safe.